Wait, so you want to know how long we at Livspace take?
Yes.
Let's find out. If you aren't already aware, if you want us to design and execute your entire home interiors, you will be opting in for our Livspace VESTA offering, which occurs across 4 steps. Step 1 is the booking phase. This starts with you filling out a form about your property details. Then, one of our teammates will call you to set up a meeting at your closest experience center for a free consultation. Yes, free. You will be paired with a Livspace designer who will show you around the experience center and really give you a feel of the materials and the fittings. So you as a customer, you can physically experience a wide variety of styles and designs across kitchens, living rooms, puja rooms, dining rooms, bedrooms, kids' rooms. Your designer will spend time understanding you and your needs diligently. Using our proprietary design software, they will create a design proposal and a tentative quote based on your budget. If you have any feedback, or if you simply just change your mind, a revised proposal will be generated and you will be ushered to our first milestone where you pay us in advance to book us. Step 1 takes roughly about 2 weeks. And then it's time for us to dive deep into the nitty-gritties of the next step, the design phase. A draftsperson will visit your premises to take site measurements and photographs, and all of this leads to a series of design meetings. Over these one-on-one sessions with your designer, you get to custom design your home to suit your tastes, while a professional refines and manifests your ideas and needs into a comprehensive design. Then your custom designed home is meticulously put together and presented to you in the form of detailed drawings and 3D views. Based on your feedback, revised drawings and a final quote will be presented for your approval. This step normally takes about a month, and it leads us straight to our second milestone. When you've approved the design, and only then, is it time to pay us a 50% payment of the project cost. Now we start step 3, the manufacturing and installation process. The modular sections of your interiors will be manufactured with precision engineering at our factories. Parallelly, any required civil work at the site, such as electrical work, false ceilings, plumbing, tiling, etc., is initiated. An operations lead will ensure that this civil work is completed in time to align with the arrival of the modular units. Which reminds me, you can log on to our app and keep tabs on your project status. You like that, huh? Once the manufacturing is completed, your order will be carefully packed and made ready for delivery at the warehouse. Which brings us to our third milestone, where you pay the balance payment. The manufactured sections will be delivered and installed as per your design. The final touches include stuff like loose furniture, drapes, and decor. And now, it's step 4, our final milestone. Move in. It's time to make new memories and set new milestones for your life in your new dream home. But hold on. We are not done yet. Post the phase of moving in, you can download your invoice from the app and enjoy up to a 10-year warranty on your interiors, along with the freedom of after-sales requests for the entire period of your warranty. So, how long does it all take? Well, when you do the math, it's about 5 months. Of course, the estimate is under ideal circumstances. If there are delays in decision making, or if you are unavailable to attend design meetings, etc., it could push things longer. Want to dig deeper? Why don't you just log on to our website and get a clear step-by-step breakdown of the entire process? In the meanwhile, did she just close her laptop on me? We were just getting to the best part, the free giveaway. Well, I guess that's not happening. She just closed the laptop on me, man. It's like someone slamming the door on your face, like mid-sentence. Like,